Good morning. Please take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's your name?
I'm Casey Nina.
How would you like me to call you?
Just call me Casey.
Okay, Casey, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good morning. I'm Criselda M. Ibatuan. I graduated at Manila Tetana Colleges with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. We are 7 in the families and I have 2 younger brothers and 2 younger sisters. I am a sociable person who likes to work with other people.
I'm Casey Nina Ezamuzar. I graduated at Manila Bicana Colleges with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. I was a Mega Scholar and a consistent honor student. During my college years, I had these scholar assistantship duties. In that experience, we are tasked to do different basic duties like answering telephone calls, filing, encoding, and routing different kinds of documents. And I'm happy to say that with those experience, I really learned a lot. And now I can now be able to communicate with other people professionally, and I know now how to organize different company files.
What are your strengths?
Well, ma'am, I can say that I'm good at planning and time management. I also have a sense of patience and responsibility.
Well, mom, I can say that I am good at time management. In fact, when I was in college, I used to have this a lot of tasks. So, in order for me to accommodate all of them, I scheduled my tasks according to its deadlines. As a result, I was able to pass my requirements on time.
What is your weakness?
Basically, mom, I'm not good at Excel. It's a dilemma that I wouldn't like to face.
One of my weaknesses is I find it hard to use Microsoft Office applications such as Excel and Publisher. So what I did, I attended trainings on these topics and applied it in our computer library. I also researched different lectures and videos on applying Excel and Publisher. And now, I am confident to say that I can now use these applications properly.
How well do you work with people? Do you enjoy working alone or in teams?
I guess, ma'am, I do well on both. During our studies, we had to do something as a team. And there will be other days that I would be asked to do something on my own.
Honestly, mom, I enjoy doing both. At the scholar scale, we have this what we call team building activity, and we were divided into smaller groups. So before everything starts, usually the instructor would tell us the mechanics of the game. And even though it's the first time I met my co-scholars, I was able to work with them with a common goal, and we were able to accomplish the tasks that were assigned to us, and really enjoyed it a lot. On the other hand, I can also work alone. Whenever my unit head asks me to do the filing, I can finish it by myself. It was really a one-person job.
Okay, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Basically, mom, I see myself as the CEO of a certain company. I'll be expanding my network through business, and lastly, I'll be studying somewhere in the USA.
5 years from now, I would be 25 years old, and I see myself working here in your company in a managerial role. And maybe I had already established a small printing business which will help me and my siblings education until they finish schooling.
Okay, that's good. Why should we hire you?
Well, ma'am, you should hire me because I would be an asset to your organization.
I believe mom like his strengths will help me perform this job. During my college years, I did essay duties at my school. I was able to learn new skills and also improve the skills that I already had. I was also able to improve my listening and communication skills. So whenever clients or in-house personnel are on the other telephone line, I was able to accommodate them accordingly. And also I did basic functions in our department like encoding, filing, and indexing, which made me an organized person. Being a project assistant requires people who are able to accommodate their clients, especially when their superiors had no time to talk with them. Thus, I believe that self-organization is essential in keeping track of your clients' efforts. So with those experiences I had with my SA duties and OJT, I know I can be an asset to your organization.
We have so many applicants for this position. So what do you think is your edge among the others?
You know, ma'am, I see the other applicants. I can say that I'm better compared to them. It seems like they lack motivation each employee shall possess.
I really do not know the other applicants, ma'am. I do not compare myself to them. Rather, I compare myself to my past experiences and previous performances. What I can assure you, ma'am, is that I am a trainable one. I do not cope up with changes easily, but I have this initiative to learn new things. Just like when the SA duties were implemented, I really do not know how to do filings and other tasks. I find it hard to answer telephone calls. What I did, I asked my unit heads on how to do those jobs. And with that actions, I was able to perform those challenging tasks. In the same manner, this company is new to me. I believe that my willingness and initiative to learn will be will help me do and perform this job successfully. And I also believe that no matter how good an applicant is, if he or she is not able to learn or is not willing to learn, training will just be a waste of company resources.
What do others say about you?
When I was a student, my classmates used to tell me that I am hardworking, responsible, and good at managing my time.
When I was a student, my classmates used to tell me that I am hardworking, responsible, and good at managing my time. And according to them, though I have SA duties, I could still attend to my other assignments and the rest of my tasks. And they also commented that I do not waste my time, since they often see me in the library reading books. So they wondered how I was able to divide my time and be able to pass my requirements on its deadlines.